My country people, I dey greet una. Na me be talk more 15 minutes, talkative, eku. Soro me share, unto talkative way. Touch not my pant and brazy, I do my private part, no harm.
Jesus!
I don't carry enter on Adam mouth, make una hear me very well. I don't know why some all these girls nowadays, if they mess for where they dey inside church, you go be like say they pollute. One girl dey with me for church like this, and as I just dey follow and dey talk like this, baby what's one, I saw she just cross her leg. It makes she just mess like this, boom, she shout Jesus. I say, eh? Now the mess now make you shout Jesus Christ. And the girls, I want to tell you something, not be all the whole men wey carry big belly and get money o. Some of them are fibroid wey full inside be that. But if una dey follow them, you will be like say na money dey inside. One girl go meet big man wey carry big belly, fit say money dey inside, na so you just carry the guy go inside hotel, bam, go stay. No wasting time. Na so the guy chook eye for him pocket like this, wetin he bring come outside? 500, 200, 100 naira. How the girl call the tell am say, so you no get money carry big belly come? How the man tell am say from hospital dey come and fibroid dey inside? My country people, make una dey hear me so. I don't know why some guys nowadays they go dey rape ladies like this. If they don't dey rape ladies, they don't know the kind of ladies wey they dey rape. One guy go rape one girl like that, one fine girl. You know say na confirm achewo wey don stay for achewo joint for like 15 years, don do achewo, don tire. As he go rape that one finish, rape her with the hope say they chop better thing. When they come up the gate, tell am say, oga, you must pay me o. You must pay me my money. That one don enter one chance. So my country people, nothing do you, na we dey here, nothing dey happen. Talk more 15 minutes, eku. So my people, they get some things wey some people dey do sometimes wey me I no dey like o. E dey good maybe make person dey do better thing. If you know wetin dey do, make e dey do am well, no matter anything wey e dey do. My country people, even if e dey sweep road, manage am. Even if e dey wash plate, manage am. One guy claim say him be yahoo boy. As he go claim say be yahoo boy, your boy no be small thing o. Na so he enter street, dey show am how e dey be. What don do yahoo finish, oga, I dey tell you so. Dey give am the bar enter road, you no even take time, na so he turn to mad person. No be money he wan find. He wan find money, na he don see money, don dey run. Who come dey run pass now? Na he come dey run pass the money, abi na the money come dey run pass am. My country people, nothing do na my brother. Make una follow me, subscribe for talk more 15 minutes. Talkative, eku soro mchi, and na me be talkative. I no dey waste time, I no dey carry last. Our game no dey carry last. Even if we run, even if we do sports, nothing do you. Na so e dey go. I wan make una hold on for sometimes, some things wey some people dey do sometimes wey me I no dey like. Some people go claim say they sabi, but they no sabi. One guy go claim one day say he go fit ride the motor. Na so he just carry motor give am jeep. Na so the guy just dey make mad. The man no even follow am talk. He tell am say, oga, you sabi drive? He say yes, oga, I don dey drive tey because of the money wey the man wan give am. Oh boy, when he enter the motor like this, oh boy, no be small thing o. Na so he go scatter people motor, scatter people headlight, everything, both the brake and one and everything. Oh boy, no be small thing o. If you know sabi, talk say you know sabi o. No be say if you know sabi, claim say you sabi. My country people, na so we dey roll am, na so we dey do am. No dey easy. The country people, talkative don carry come, no wahala. If you like, we go there till tomorrow, next tomorrow, 1 week. Nothing do you. Na my work be that. My country people, I dey greet una very well. They get wetin some girls dey do sometimes wey I no dey like. They get one guy like that, go carry this girl, go for hotel. Na so they drink, chop pepper soup, chop everything. Anything wey they want chop, the girl go say, oga, I wan buy this one, I wan buy shawarma, I wan buy pepper soup, I wan buy turkey. And everything na the girl wan chop. All the money wey the guy carry for pocket, the girl chop all the whole money finish. If still go for ATM sef, still collect ATM money, join am. When this girl don chop finish, na so she just stand up like this, gbagam. As the girl just dey waka like dey go like that, the man come outside say, wetin dey happen? I fine babe, wetin dey happen? Make we enter inside now. The girl ask am say, which inside? Wetin I tell you before? The man tell am say, you no tell me anything. I tell you say I dey see my pee. Now the man come out say, no, say they see your pee. Now you go carry me enter for this guy kaba. All my money don finish. The guy like my country people now. So he dey go. You know easy talkative, eku. Talk more 15 minutes, don carry enter on a caravan. Make una follow me, they enter for that way now. YouTube, subscribe, understand me as they go. Nothing do you, man and woman, pikin. They get wetin some father dey do sometimes. They get one man, the man just go carry one small pikin dey come. every time no money, every time no money, every time no money. And so the guy just keep quiet, dey watch am say papa every time no money, papa every time no money. Not know you say na for inside shoe na the man dey go hide the own money. You no know say the pikin dey monitor am. As they hide the money every time they monitor am, every time you go say no money, you go wear the shoe comot. Now you come say okay no problem. Na so e reach one day the pikin carry the shoe comot. Tell am say papa I wan help you go punish your shoe. He say no leave my shoe, no punish anything, no help me, I go do am for myself. You say papa don't be the watch your cause they watch everything for you, but this one papa I go do am for myself. And so the man don't know wetin he go do because of school fees wey he wan pay for the boy. Na so the guy just carry the shoe come outside like this bam. He tell am say nothing dey inside papa, no money inside, nothing. And the man tell am say money dey inside. He say papa no money inside, the papa no. But the papa tell me say my school fees no dey, you no get the money, how come money come dey inside you? Na so dey roll am country people. I don carry enter talkative ekuru eku, under talkative way, Jerome Chia. Touch not my pant.